Hello children, very good morning ma. I'm your Navya teacher. Take out your EVS textbook ma. We have FA1 exams, okay, from 19th. So we have to start revision. Today onwards, we have to start revision. So all of you take out your EVS textbook, okay, and homework notebook also. Okay, take out your EVS textbook and EVS homework, okay. Today onwards, we have to start revision. FA1 revision. FA1 revision. So who am I? We start revision. First lesson ma. Lesson 1. Who am I? Who am I? Okay. So who am I? Others are calling you. How do others calling you? With your name. How do others calling you ma? With your name. So your name has two parts. Your name has two parts. We have FA1 exams from 21st. Okay, 21st. So we have to start revision. Okay, 21st onwards we have to FA1 exam. So we have to start revision. So first lesson. What is your first lesson ma? Who am I? Okay, how do others calling you? Others calling you as your name, by your name. So your name has two parts. Your name has two parts. What are two parts? First name and last name. First name and last name. For example, you see Salim Sheikh, Salim Sheikh, Reena Joshi, like that name has two parts. Name has two parts. Okay, next one we have number. We have also contact number. We have date of birth. Okay, we have date of birth and we have contact numbers and we have address also. How do you say about you? For example, my name is, like that you have to say no. My name is, your name also say, and your contact number, your date of birth and your address also say. Okay, so about you means you have to say your name and address, your contact number, like that you have to say no ma. So take out your homework workbook ma. All of you take out your workbook. We have to solve our workbook. First of all of you write down your name in your homework. First keep heading. First enter FA1 revision. First enter FA1 revision. After that you have to enter who am I. Lesson name who am I. Who am I. You have to enter who am I. First you have to enter FA1 revision. After that you have to enter who am I. Who am I. Okay. So next you have to write, for example, your name. My name is, like that you have to write M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S-E is. What is your name? You have to write. Okay, my name is. Okay, you have to write my name is. After that you have to enter your name. Okay, in your homework notebook, first you have to write my name is. What is your name? You have to write M by my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S-E is my name is. You have to write your name. Okay. Okay, after that you have to take out your workbook ma. Take out your EVS workbook. We have to do our workbook. We have to revise our workbook. Lesson 1. Who am I? Page number 1. You have to open page number 1. Okay, page number 1. Okay. Multiple choice questions is there ma. Multiple choice questions. M-U-L-T-I multi. P-L-E multiple choice. C-H-O-I-S-E choice questions. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S questions. Multiple choice questions is there ma. Yes, first one you see, the full name of a person has T-H-E the F-U-L-L full, N-A-M-E name, O-F of A, P-E-R-S-O-N person, has, H-A-S has, the full name of a person has, the full name of a person name has first name and last name. The name has two parts. I already told you the name has two parts. Two parts means first name and last name. So the name has a first name and last name. Okay. So you have to write A, F-A-F-I-R-S-T first, N-A-M-E name, a first name, and A and last name, L-A-S-T last, N-A-M-E name, first name and last name. First name and last name. A full name has first name and last name. Okay, have you understood? Yes, a full name has first name, F-I-R-S-T first, N-A-M-E name, first name, and A-N-D and L-A-S-T last, N-A-M-E name, a first name and last name. A full name of a person has a first name and last name. Next one you see ma, which of the following tells the place we live? Which of the following? What is the thing that tells the place we live? Tell me. What is the thing that tells the place of we live? Yes, that tells address. The address tells us where we live. For example, I am living in Padmanagar phase 2. This is your address, no? So the address tells your place. Tells your place where you live. So we have to write address. Which of the WHICHUH OF of THC the FOLLOWING following TELLS tells THC the PLACE place WEV LIVE live. Which of the following tells the place we live? Which of the following tells the place which we live? Yes, address tells the place that where we live. So we have to write address. ADDRESS address. ADDRESS address. So address tells us the place where we live. Okay. Next one you see ma, fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks with your correct words from the brackets. Okay. Is the phone number of one of your family members. What phone number means? What we tell? Phone number means it is our contact number. We can say phone number is our contact number. Contact number. So we have to say contact number. Contact number or date of birth. Phone number means contact number. For example, your dad number. Your dad number means we have to say contact. My dad contact number like this. Okay. So we have to say contact number. CONTACT contact. NUMBER number. NUMBER number. So we have to say contact number. CONTACT contact. NUMBER number. So we have to say contact number. Is the yes is THE the phone 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 number 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 of 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 ONE1 of 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 YOUR your family 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 MEMBERS members family members. Contact number is the number of one of your family members. Okay, contact number CONTACT contact NUMBER number contact number. Okay, next one you see male and female are two different. Male and female. Male and female means they are two different genders. They are two different. We call genders. Okay, genders. We have to say genders. Two different genders. This is address. No, this is not address. We have to say genders. 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 Male and female. They are the two different genders. We have to say genders. 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 Okay, male and MALE male, AND and female FEMALE female, RARE TWO2 DIFFERENT different. Male and female are two different genders. GENDERS genders. GENDERS genders. Male and female are two different genders. They are the two different genders. Next one you see ma, what do we call the day on which we burn? Where what is the day that you call where you when your birth? Tell me, what is that day called? Yes, we have to say date of birth. We call as date of birth. The day you born called as date of birth. DATE date. OF of birth. BIRTH birth. BIRTH birth. The day you born is called date of birth. DATE, date. OF of BIRTH, birth. For example, when you are asking you what is your date of birth means, what you say? You say your day that you born. Okay, for example, 20th August, 25th August, you have to say like that, no? So if you born 25th August, what is your date of birth? 25th August. Okay, like that you have to say that day you born. We have to say date of birth. Date of birth. DATE, date. OF of BIRTH, birth. Okay, date of birth. Date of birth. Okay. Next one, you see my page number. Turn the page, all of you. Turn the page. Open the page number 2. Page number 2. Okay, write the names of the sins given below. You have to see, observe the picture and you have to write the sign. If that is a boy or a girl, you have to write. Okay. You see, observe the dressing also you have to see. Okay. First one is a BO by boy. This is a sign of boy. Next one, girl, GIRL, girl. Next one you see ma short answer questions. He gives a short answers question. What is your name? When were you born? So you have to write your name. Okay, I will show you how to write your name. First one you see ma, what is your name? 7th one, what is your name? So you have to write your name. MY, my, NAME, name. My name is, IS is, my name is. You have to write your name. What is your name? For example, your name is Sai. Okay, like that you have to, my name is Sai. Like that you have to write. Okay, my name is MY, my, NAME, name. IS is, my name is. Okay, next one, I was born on. When you are born, what is your date? So you have to write your birthday date. I was, WAS was born, BORN, born on. When you are born, you have to write your born date. Okay. So I was born on, for example, 28th August or August, you have to write 20th August. I was born on 20th August. Like that you have to write. Okay. Your name, first one, your name, my name is. What is your name? My name is Sai. You have to write Sai. My name is Sai. Next one, I was born. When you are born, you have to write your birthday date. I was born on 20th. If your born date is 20th August, you have to write 20th August. Like that you have to write. Next one you see. Write yes or no. Write Y for yes. If the answer is yes, we have to write yes. 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 If answer is no, we have to write N. Okay. Next one you see. 8th one. Your name helps others to know you. Yes, our name helps to others, you know. For example, I know Sai. Sai means that is a name. So, name means that helps us knowing others. Knowing others. Okay, your name helps others to know you. YOUR, your. NAME, name. HELP, help. S, helps. Others, OTHERS, others. TO2, KNOW, know. YOUU, your name helps others to know you. So, the answer is yes. So, we have to write Y. Y means yes. If the answer is yes, we have to write Y. Next one you see, your address tells people how old are you. Your address telling you how old are you. No, our address not tells how old are you. How old are you means our age. So, the address is not tells. Address means where you live. Address means where you are living. So, address is not tells how old are you. So, we have to write no. No means we have to write N. N means no. So, this is so we have to write N. Next one, date of birth helps people to know your age. Date of birth helps people to know your age. Yes, date of birth means our born date. Born date helps us to know our age. So we have to write S. So we have to write Y. S means we have to write S, Y. Next one, you can call for help using of your date of birth. You can call for help using your date of birth. This phone number will help you using date of birth? No, this is not correct. So we have to write no. You, CAN can, call, CALL call, FOR for help, HELP help, using USING using, your, your, date, DAT date, OF of BIRTH birth. You can call for help using your date of birth. Okay. So this is not correct. So we have to write N. N means no. Okay. This is your first page, ma'am. We completed first page. So you have to learn this page. Okay. You have to revise this page. Today you have to revise this page. Multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks and very short answers. This page you have to learn. This is your homework, ma'am. Okay. Copy in your homework. These multiple choice questions you have to copy in your homework. Okay, you have to copy in your homework, and also you have to copy short answer question. What is your name? You have to copy first one multiple choice questions, and seventh one what is your name, when were you born. You have to copy these two. Okay, tomorrow I will meet you children. Please learn this page. Okay, you have to revise this page. Multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, very short answers and write yes or no. Okay, you have to copy in your homework multiple choice questions and short answers question. You have to copy in your homework. Tomorrow I will meet you children. Bye, ma.